when I'm trying to do a drive with audio and multiple GoPros. Welcome to the video, everybody. What I'm trying to do is I want to go for a run on the track with you guys. And so I got a couple of GoPros set up, and I've got a microphone going. So hopefully this all works. I got wires going all over the place. So what we're going to do first is do what I call a soft lap. I never run out here and just hit the first lap hard. I want to make sure that there's nobody laying down in the track or anything dumb like that, or just that nothing's changed. I just want to get a little bit of a feel for it. So I'm in second gear, and I'm just gonna do one lap, kind of looking around, seeing if it, mainly what I'm looking for is other people on the track, because there are, a lot of times there'll be dirt bikes and quads out here, and I don't want to run any of them over. Oh. Anyways, that's one loop. So now, let's speed it up a little bit. Oh, that's a rough landing. Go wide here, take it in. This one just requires a little bit. Mama, that's a big drop. Big drop. Oh. Whoop, wall a little bit. You really got to hit the brakes on that one. This one also requires not much speed. Big drop. Tight turn. These are those two tight turns. There's no sense in taking them fast. I can barely make them lock to lock. But then you got to hit this one with some speed. Take third. Woo! Oh, mother! That is awesome. That is awesome. All right, coming into the toilet bowl. I need to go back down into second. Hit the berm here. Tight turn right here. Little turning brake action to tighten it up. Go slow over the first dip here. And then you can hit it. Oh, dang, that is awesome. That is a good one. This one is actually, you gotta cheat the corner on this one, or you'll almost hit that tree. Ask me how I know. This one you can hit pretty fast. Oh, mama! Ride the outside. Good one. Hit this one good. Oh! That one's actually a double step up. And I can't make the double step, but it's not that big. And this is my white whale. So I just have to kind of pull it. Uh-oh. I don't know what that was. Ratchet didn't like that. Now this one actually gets a little bumpy, but you can go into third. Get some speed. You do have to get it back into second. Some turning brake. Whoa. Here we go. Lap 2. That was better. Take it wide because I need the distance. Little tap here. Mama, that's a big drop. Oh. A lot of wheel spin on that one. Whew. All right. That one got a little loose. A little blip here. Whoa, man! Again, just take this slow because I can barely make the turn. All right, third gear. Oh yeah, that is awesome. All right, coming around here. Coax her back into second. Back into the toilet bowl. And a little turning brake because this is a super tight turn. Savor the drop and hit it. Yeah. Yes. Roger that. All right. Favor the corner. Nice. Okay. Take to the top because I need the distance. Hit this one. Oh. And back to, I'll do one more lap. Back to hiking up my blouse here. I'm pretty darn close to making that too. It's frustrating. But I'm chicken. I'm not trying to hide that fact at all. Okay. And then after this turn, oh my kidneys. Hit third. And gotta take her back to second and grab the turning brake. That is bumpy. Very bumpy. Oh. Those crooked landings are destroying my kidneys. Oh, boys and girls, that is brutal. Oh my God. Woo. Brakes. Wow, my brakes were really soft on that. That was a little nerve-wracking. And we're back to the tight-ass turn for whatever reason. All right. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. It is so smooth when you make it. Second, gotta go back into second. And back into the toilet bowl. And another super hard turn here. All right. The dip. Oh my! That is adrenaline. That is adrenaline. I'm gonna have to get my kidneys fixed after this. God, I hope the audio is still working. Oh. And this one. Nice. Oh, I actually hit that a little slower and it was nicer. And we're back to where I gotta hike up my skirt. And I gotta learn to hit those. That's right. Don't judge me. Woo. Oh! Not the smoothest landing. All right, and honestly, that was 3 hard laps, and I need to take a break. Awesome. That was good. That was good. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I know I did. Oh man, before I shut it off, I checked the gauges. Volts are good, oil pressure's good, fuel pressure's good. Everything looks normal. Both fans are on. I'm at 187 degrees. That's fine. So far, I thought this little radiator wasn't going to work, but it's actually working pretty well. Okay. Turn off the alternator, turn off the fuel, and turn off the engine. Thank you for riding Ratchet Airlines. I hope you enjoyed the ride as much as I did. And I hope the audio's still working. See you later, guys.